How to subtract with percentage on Microsoft Excel. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily subtract with percentage on Microsoft Excel. So the first thing I'm going to do here is you're going to need some amount here. So if I just go to the layout tab and then if I go to home, as you can see it has to be on a specific format. So it's on currency format right here. And then this one right here is on the percentage format. So what happens is if you want to subtract this, the formula itself is quite simple. Just type in equals and then select your first cell minus. You're going to have to select the first cell again and then multiply. Type in multiply and then select the percentage. Hit enter. Now it will subtract 10% from this amount. And if you want to do same for all of these amounts, just drag it all the way to the bottom and you'll get this value. This is the first method. Now the second method, if you want a fixed percentage throughout the calculation. So let's say if I want 15%, I'll just type it in here. I'll show you guys on a different column here. Let me just adjust it a bit. The process is the same. Type in equals, then select the first cell minus. It's going to be first cell again. Now this time you're going to have to multiply it with 15%. But if you just select 15% here and drag it all the way, it's going to change the value for these ones. But if you want to keep it fixed, you just press function plus F4 key on your keyboard and it will lock the value. Now just hit enter. And you can click on it and drag it all the way to the bottom from the corner, and it will decrease 15% from all of these amount. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically subtract percentage on Microsoft Excel. If you found it helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.